Today I'm ranking some of the best face masks I've ever made, from biggest fails to the most satisfying ones, and even showcasing some masks I made with questionable ingredients. The world's most expensive face mask, starting off with a massive gold bar. It was super hard to smash. Then we add some gold pearls. In this face mask I basically add everything gold or everything expensive. Those were some gold pellets, gold sequins, 24 karat gold leaf flakes, 24 karat gold serum, and a gold face mask that was also 24 karat. Then a 24 karat gold cleanser, and that's Rihanna's cleanser, Himalayan neem face wash, then Kylie Jenner's cleanser, and Millie Bobby Brown's cleanser, and Alicia Keys' cleanser. So a lot of celebrity cleansers and 100% liquid gold. So this face mask was very expensive. Suck it up, inject the expensiveness, add the peptide, turn it on, and dispense. This was the world's most expensive face mask, so obviously it's an S tier. Bubblegum face mask, Hubba Bubba. So this was also really hard to smash, but once it gets wet, it's a lot easier. Bubbles, suck it up, inject the bubblegum, peptide, turn it on, and dispense. So I love stuffing my mouth with bubblegum, but this mask failed, so it's an F. Grass face mask, fresh out the Ziploc. So I took one for the team boys. I actually went outside and picked this myself for this video. Add the water, mix it up, bubbles, suck it up, inject the grass, and add the peptide, turn it on, and dispense. Since I had to touch grass for this one, I'm gonna have to rate this one a D. Turning red face mask. And don't worry, I did not smash Red Panda. I have it right here. Smash, smash, smash. Mix, mix, mix. Add the water, and that's cotton candy disintegrating right there. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject Red Panda. Add the peptide. Turn it on and dispense. I thought this mask was really fun and creative. It's a B. Silver face mask, starting off with silver pearls. In this one, I basically combined everything silver and everything shiny. Smash, smash, smash. Mix, mix, mix. Silver crystals. 24 karat silver leaf flakes, 24 karat silver leaf. This one gets really crazy. Silver glitter, it's gonna be super shiny. Silver powder, silver serum, silver face wash, silver serum, 24 karat silver serum, silver face mask, and another silver face mask. Then next we got the silver chain that was super hard to smash, and 100% liquid silver. Mix, mix, bubbles, suck it up, inject the silver, add the peptide. So this mask turned out looking super shiny, and it was satisfying to smash. It's a S tier. Blue face mask, starting off with blue balls. Smash, 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 mix, mix, mix. So in this one, I basically combined a lot of blue ingredients, starting off with blue face washes and blue cleansers. Then we work our way up to blue toners. That's Millie Bobby Brown's toner. Then a blue moisturizer and a blue face mask. Mix, mix, mix. Add the water. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject the blue skincare. Add the peptide, turn it on, and dispense. It was fun smashing the blue balls, and it smelled amazing. It's an A. Dr. Egghead face mask. Smash, smash, smash. So unfortunately, I did have to smash Dr. Egghead because he kept chasing my boys Sonic and Tails, so I had to save them. Mix, mix, mix. Add the water. Now Dr. Egghead disintegrates. Good riddance. Mix, mix, mix. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject Dr. Egghead. Add the peptide. Turn it on, and dispense. So I really did enjoy smashing Dr. Egghead and saving my boy Sonic. It's a B. Iced coffee face mask. Ooh, I love the sound of it dripping. Smash, smash, smash. Mix, mix, mix. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject the iced coffee. Add the peptide. Turn it on and dispense. So I love iced coffee even though it makes me poop, and this mask gave me energy, so it's an A. Extreme red face mask, starting off with peppermint. This one gets crazy. So I basically combined everything red I could find, starting off with red candies. That was a ring push pop, fun dip. Then we had Takis. Now it's starting to get a little spicy. Now a red onion, so we're adding some vegetables. A red apple. Next up we got a red peach. That was real juicy right there. Then we add pomegranate. So it's starting to get a little wet and messy now. That was a red chili pepper. Now I'm kind of scared. Red raspberry, red strawberry, red watermelon, salsa, ketchup, tahini. Then we add Cholulu hot sauce, Kanye pepper, red toad, red Powerade, and a red bowl. Mix. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject the red stuff. Add the peptide. Turn it on and dispense. This one got really wet and messy, and it smelled musty, so it's a D. Diamond face mask. Smashing this one was really hard. I probably had to smash it like 100 times. Add the water. Mix. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject the diamond. Add the peptide. Turn it on and dispense. Smashing this one was really hard, but it was worth it in the end. It's an A tier. Lipstick face mask. I decided to go with the classic red lipstick from the dollar store. Smash. Mix. Ooh, that was a satisfying smash. Add the water. Mix. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject the red lipstick. Add the peptide and turn it on and dispense. So I never imagined putting lipstick on my lips. Matter of fact, my entire face. Let's give this one a B. SpongeBob face mask with the perfect SpongeBob popsicle. Smash. Mix. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject SpongeBob. Add the peptide. Turn it on and dispense. So we did get a perfect SpongeBob popsicle, but it left my face feeling super sticky. It's a C. Takis face mask. Open it up. Smash. Mix. So Takis are super spicy, so I was really afraid to put this one on my face. Suck it up. Inject the Takis. Add the peptide, turn it on and dispense. So this face mask was seriously intense, so I'm gonna have to give this one a D. Snow face mask. So this is a fake snowball. I made it with shaving cream and baking soda. It smelled amazing, and when we added the water, it got super creamy. Suck it up, inject the snow, add the peptide, turn it on and dispense. So I think we did the best we could with fake snow. It came out super creamy and smelled amazing. It's a B. Spider-Man face mask with Spider-Man gummies. This one was really hard to smash also. Spider shows up, we smash that for extra protein. Yummy. Add the water, mix. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject Spider-Man. Then we add the peptide, turn it on and dispense. So this mask turned out looking really nice, but it was super hard to smash, so I'm gonna have to give it a C. Coke face mask. Comment right now if Coke or Pepsi is better in your opinion. Ooh, that sounded really satisfying. I love the drippy noises. Mix. Bubbles. Suck it up. Inject the Coke. Then we're gonna add the peptide and turn it on and dispense. So in my opinion, Pepsi is way better than Coke, and that's probably why this face mask failed, so I'm gonna have to give it an F. Extreme peppermint face mask. So this one gets absolutely crazy. I basically combined everything peppermint I could find. And trust me, this one gets super extreme. Those are some peppermint sticks. Smash. Big peppermint stick, that was massive. Smash. Then we have some average sized candy canes. A little above average sized candy canes. That's like a massive candy cane right there. I'd karate chop that. Smash. Peppermint sipper cup. Then we have peppermint spoons. Keep on smashing. My hand was getting super sore by the end of this video. And that was a peppermint ball that tasted delicious. Suck it up. Inject the peppermint. Add the peptide. Turn it on and dispense. So my hand got a little sore from smashing so much by the end of this video, but let's give it an A. Mr. Beast face mask with Mr. Beast chocolate. Smash. Wait a second, what is that shiny stuff? Then we add the water. Oh. Mix. Wait a second. Super shiny. Suck it up. Inject Mr. Beast, add the peptide. Wait a second, why is this face mask gold? Don't tell me I smashed the golden ticket. Unfortunately, this is an S tier. That's it, subscribe and have an amazing day.